Hi guys, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Gina.
And we're here to talk about our spring beauty bag.
For the bath and shower, we have these Nubian papaya bath bombs and our Tom's creamy coconut small travel size bar soap.
For hair care, we have the Grandpa Soap Company Buttermilk Shampoo and Conditioner, great size for your travel bag, and Desert Essence Hair Mask.
Next up, we have this Honest Company full-size lavender field hand sanitizer spray. Let's try it out.
For your face, we have a Cure sheet mask. You're getting one or the other, surprise. Perfect for hydrating your skin. Put them on for 20 minutes, pat the serum into your skin, you're good to go.
We are also offering 2 more face masks. Charcoal, one of the hottest trends out there. We have this SW Basics DIY mask. You can use it as a face wash or you can use it as a mask. And then we have this Derma-E 2-in-1 purifying mask. You just put it on, rinse it off, and you're good to go.
After your face mask, don't forget to use your serum from My Shell, Perfect C Serum, followed by your Bodyceuticals cream, Calendula.
For your lips, we have 2 lip balms this time to offer. We have the Noya Organic Lip Balm and the Dr. Lip Bank Buzzing Lip Balm. They're an assortment of products. You're not sure what you're going to get till you get your bag. Part of the fun.
Surprise! After you hydrate your lips, pop one of these Reservage Collagen Shoes. Helps with fine lines and wrinkles, and they're delicious.
This bag also has a deodorant. We're offering Piper Y Natural Deodorant. It's one of the hottest deodorants out there right now. Made in the USA, charcoal-based, aluminum-free.
And for your skin, don't forget your Naturescape Body Lotion, perfect size for your gym bag, purse, or traveling. Try it out. Our spring beauty bag has 16 products for only $29. It's over $80 worth of value of merchandise.
This Wink bag is super adorable, as you can see. Get them now while supplies last. If you like it, try it out, rate your comments below, and don't forget to spread the wellness.